What's the meaning of assail? Assail. Assail.
Assail. Assail. Assail means to attack someone or something violently, usually with physical force or words. The result of an assault can vary depending on the context and severity of the attack. Physical assaults can result in injuries ranging from minor bruises to serious disabilities or even death. Verbal assaults can cause emotional harm and psychological trauma, leading to long-lasting effects such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. In any case, an assailant's actions can have devastating effects on their victims and are considered a serious crime punishable by law.